calculate the total for the given cell addresses, we have two better methods. One is a basic method. Every Excel formula begins with equal to symbol, equal to. So then we have to enter the cell addresses references. For example, B2 plus C2 plus D2 plus E2 plus F2 plus G2. Then press enter. Automatically it displays the total. So Excel having a special feature, nothing but we have to calculate only one row of the data, then again drag the data to number of cells, automatically it will display the total. So this is the Excel special feature. So we have, for example, we have 100 number of rows data, 100 number of columns data. To calculate total is very difficult. In this basic method we have to follow another method, equal to, enter sum function, shift to plus 9, enter the source point, I mean B2, double dot means source point and ending point. In between we are calculating the total of the given cell addresses. So enter the end point, I mean destination point G2. So then close the parenthesis. To open the parenthesis, shift to plus F9. To close the parenthesis, shift to plus 0. Enter the data. Automatically it display the total of the shaker row. So to drag the information, it will automatically display the total of the remaining people's data. So use shortcut key, select downwards, press Ctrl plus D. Automatically it display the total of the given cell address. This is the method to calculate total. We'll discuss average in the next video. Thank you.